If you put this prompt into this tool, you'll get an in-depth SEO analysis that will tell you what is wrong with your website, what you can change, and how to improve your website to get more Google rankings and get cited by AI search. Let's first go ahead and take a look at the actual report. In this report, as you can see, we got an executive summary of the monthly organic visitors, the Google reviews, page speed, domain authority, accessibility score, sitemap, spam score, and a couple of different other metrics. We get a positive of this website, and also we get some key gap and areas in which we can improve upon. The second section is a technical SEO analysis, and as you can see, the AI didn't just pull this information from its own database. It actually went ahead and did research using Google PageSpeed Insights and some other reliable data tools like SimilarWeb. We get the SEO score, best practices, accessibility, and we get the performance. Then we get some core web vitals, and we get crawlability and indexing. So as you can see, you get a pretty in-depth analysis here. We also get the on-page SEO analysis of the title tags, meta description, and some issues in which we can improve upon. We get schema markup implementation, so we see what has been implemented and what we can actually go ahead and improve upon. So we see here that we can add an aggregate rating schema to service page using our Google reviews. So this is a very customizable report that we're getting. As you can see, it's not surface level. Sometimes you'll do an SEO report and it's very, very surface level and generic. This is actually customizable for that specific domain based upon deep research. We also get an off-page SEO and backlink profile. We see the domain authority according to Moz. So again, this is not pulling it from just the internet. It's actually doing research using tools. We get how many linking root domains we have, our spam score, which is really good. It's less than 1%. And then we get a critical backlink gap. So some suggestions in which we can do to improve our backlinking. We got a local SEO and citation analysis. So we can see here, compared to our top competitors, we can see how our site is doing. So our site's kind of right in the middle between our competitors. So again, this gives us benchmarks of what we can do to catch up with our competitors. So again, very, very customizable and useful data in which you can take action with. We also get a directory citation audit from Google My Business and some other different directory places in which we have submitted or have not submitted to, so we can go ahead and do so. Section 6, we get a social signals and brand reputation. So we see how many followers we have on Instagram, which is correct because I went ahead and I double checked this. We see how many posts, how many Facebook page followers we have, how many TikTok or YouTube accounts we have. The AI also went ahead and did brand mention highlights. So what that means is it went out, it did research around the internet and different forums to see what the sentiment was regarding this brand and website. So what are people talking about? And we can see from Reddit, it's highly positive, right? So that means that we've already had some posts and people mentioning our brand within these spaces. So we can go in, continue the conversation, answer questions, and essentially get more people over to our website. It's also a really, really good ranking factor to be mentioned on different brand and different forums. So this is really, really good information that is in-depth and obviously specific to this actual brand. And then lastly, we get the competitor analysis. So we get a comparative. And lastly, we get a competitor analysis. We get a comprehensive comparison of our website against our 4 primary competitors in this niche, according to traffic authority reviews and SEO metrics. And in this case, as you can see, we're blowing the competitor away. But if you weren't, this kind of gauges you and gives you good data again as to how you compare with your competitors. We get some traffic source distribution, bounce rate, full competitor metrics, and then we get a action plan. So our action plan tells us exactly what we need to do to improve and what are the most high priority action items that we need to implement to get the best results and improve our on-page and our off-page SEO. So this is very, very in-depth. And if you want to just get more information, you can simply copy over the action plan, pop it into any of our favorite AI tools to actually get a breakdown of what exactly you need to do. So what was the tool that I used? I used Manus AI. So Manus AI is a tool in which I've been testing a lot more recently. And I find it to be a very, very powerful agentic tool. And I've actually went ahead and done an SEO analysis using Claude as well. As you can see here, this was Claude. Claude did a decent job, but it wasn't able to enact other external tools like Moz, like SimilarWeb, and actually pop the domain in and search up other competitors and give me more in-depth information. So Manus, as you can see here, it's an agentic tool, which means it goes out and it uses different tools to get the best possible information. So it used SimilarWeb, it used Moz, it used Google Page Speed Insights. It actually Googled our competitors and ran them using different tools as well. So it's able to do much better research, which means it's able to give us much better results. So again, if we take a look at how Manus works, it's multi-step and multi-agentic. So we can actually see how it works. If we take a look at the Manus computer, we can see that it goes out, it does its research, and then it's able to compile all that information into one place. You know your information is unique, it's customizable, it's specific, and it's useful to growing your website, or if this is for a client, for your client's website. So if you want to see the prompt that I use, I'll leave the prompt in the description below today's video, and in the comments below, you can simply go ahead and copy over that prompt, pop it into Manus, and get a similar or even better report than I got in today's video. You could probably do this on the free plan, but it would take you a couple of days because your credits are limited. But if you wanted to use this full time, I definitely would recommend getting a paid plan of Manus. It is very, very useful and one of the best agentic AI tools in the market. Hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.